Hey guys, Omerko here, self-taught web developer. I guess that by now you finished Angular Essentials series. Now that you know essential features of Angular, maybe we can focus on a next step. So, what can be next step for you? What could you do? What could you watch to learn more? Next to my Angular Essentials series, on my channel you can find many other videos on Angular topic. As an example, you can find video on multi-layout routing in Angular or even how to deploy your Angular application to Firebase. If you don't know how Angular CLI works, there is even a starter guide from me for that. Now, if you think that you are also ready to create whole projects, I do have playlist which is called APIs with Angular. Through that playlist, we will create real projects using different third-party APIs and Angular. If you are using SKILLSHARE or you wish to use it, you will have a link for 1 month free down in the description. On SKILLSHARE, you can find one of my courses where we will create whole to-do app using Angular and Firebase. If you wish to watch content from some other channels on Angular technologies, I can advise you to watch from Academind and Fireship, as those are great web development and Angular channels. If you would like to watch more content from me on some specific topic of Angular, make sure to comment that out. Please comment which videos you would like to see and I will go through comments and make sure that those would be available here on my channel. Once again, thank you for your support, it means a lot to me. If you liked what you saw through this Angular Essentials series, please make sure to subscribe to my channel as I am posting new content weekly. Thank you once again and bye bye.